Hey, I'm Travis Perry, the inventor of ChordBuddy, one of the most popular and successful products to ever be on ABC's Shark Tank. It's also the world's fastest and easiest way to learn guitar. And to prove that, I'm going to teach someone to play their favorite song in 90 seconds. Hey, Travis back here, and I'm with Melanie, and she has never played the guitar.
Ever.
Wanted to?
Always wanted to.
Yeah. Thought you couldn't, or?
Well, I really never took the time, and I just thought it would be too hard.
Yeah. You know, you're like most people. You know, 90% of people wish they could play the guitar, but sadly, when they try, 70% get frustrated and quit. Yeah, they just quit. So, she's going to play her first song in 90 seconds. By the way, Melanie also has arthritis issues. And so it can be done with any, if you have some sort of physical, ailment, weak hamstrings, doesn't matter. ChordBuddy can do all of that. So she picked a song out of our ChordBuddy songbook. This is one of, I think, 4 we have out on the market now. And she picked Jolene by Dolly Parton, written and performed by Dolly Parton, one of my favorite songs by her. So what you're going to do, Melanie, is first the first chord is in E minor, so you'll press the yellow button. Okay, then you'll press the next chord is blue, right? The next chord is D, the red one, and then you'll go back to yellow, and then back to red, and that gets us through the chorus. Okay. So yellow, blue, red, yellow, okay? And you're just following, by the way, it's all color-coded in here, so you just follow along and just change where it says to change in the book, all right? So get ready to start on the yellow. You're going to do great. All right, here we go. Her first song in 90 seconds. You can start the timer. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Again, Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Awesome, girl. Give me a 5 on that.
Whoa, that's pretty cool.
I'm as excited as you are, I think. What do you think about that?
I think it's great. Does it stay on all the time, or do you have to?
Well, here's the thing. It's like training wheels.
Yeah.
It's like when your kid's learning to ride a bike, he uses training wheels to get his balance and confidence. You use this to work on your rhythm and timing like you were doing, and then you start removing those one at a time. So within 2 or 3 months, you've removed them and you're playing the chords on your own. And you don't need ChordBuddy. Yeah. Hey, Melanie's first song in 90 seconds.